In this video, a nurse will understand the various aspects of initiation of breastfeeding and lactation management. Early initiation of breastfeeding within 1 hour of birth protects newborn from acquiring infection and reduces newborn mortality. There are two hormones that directly affect breastfeeding: prolactin and oxytocin. When a baby suckles at the breast, sensory impulses passes from the nipple to the brain. In response, the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland secretes prolactin and the posterior lobe secretes oxytocin.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sister.
Okay, ma'am, may I know your name, please?
Yeah, Miss Pooja.
Okay, ma'am, how are you doing?
Good.
Good? Okay, as I can see, you have baby by your side. How is your feeling?
Oh, it's great, ma'am.
Okay, it's great. Have you started with the feeding? Breastfeeding has been initiated?
Yes, ma'am. I initiated, but I have lots of queries related to that.
Okay, what are those?
Oh, actually, I don't know. Like, I used to try to feed my baby, but I don't know either he's getting proper feed or not. Because after every half an hour, 45 minutes, he started crying.
Okay. Ma'am, you can go through these pictures.
Okay.
Fine, I'm keeping here. And you
Yeah.
can also follow me.
Okay.
So whenever you are sitting on the chair, this is known as your sitting up position. So be comfortable. The back has to be straight, like I already said you, right? So the head of the baby has to be lifted up and be supported by the elbow. The body of the baby has to be aligned to the abdomen, and you can even provide a support through your pillows. You can even keep a pillow over your abdomen area if you have any kind of sutures. And in your case, I can see there is a suture, so do not put
Yes,
external,
yes,
you can say, pressure onto it.
Yeah.
So you can apply a pillow over here. And if you have a severe backache also, and if you are
Yes,
uncomfortable,
yes.
in that case, you can even apply a pillow to your back.
Okay.
You also have to be comfortable, right, ma'am?
Yes.
You can turn it around any of the side, that is right or the left. You can even keep your baby towards you itself, and following the same technique itself, that the you can say that nipples as well as the major part of the breast has to be covered in the mouth of the baby itself, making sure that the nose are not blocked. You have to initiate with the feeding. So this is a pictorial view with which you can give.
This is just a trailer, but if you are really interested in learning all clinical procedures, we have a video library that includes all clinical procedures followed at NABH JCI accredited hospitals. You know, all the videos are demonstrated by the clinical experts working at NABH JCI accredited multi-specialty hospitals. And the most important features of this video is that they include common clinical errors. Hey, so what are you waiting for? Contact us here and improve your clinical skills. Thank you.